everyone, welcome to Monday's phonics lesson of week 1. So we are going to start off by singing the alphabet song. So please sing along. So let's read some phase 3 sounds. Follow my mouse and say the sound out loud. Remember, you can use the picture clue to help you. And our final one. Well done. Phase 5 sounds. So we'll make it a bit bigger. So my mouse is pointing at this one. Say the sound. What about this one? What about this one? And finally, this one. Okay, let's try some words this time. My mouse is on this one. Read it out loud and proud. What about this one? Maybe you can tell an adult at home why that one's a really strange one to read, why we can't say it phonetically. What about this one? And finally, tricky, this one. So guys, this is our sound today. Okay, say it loud and proud. That's right, it is oi. So if we were to put oi in a sentence, we have my toy gives me joy. Maybe you could think about a toy that gives you joy at home. So let's read some words. We're going to read real and alien words. Let's start with good. All right, let's try an alien word. Now, if we don't know what that means, it means if you employ someone, you give them a job. What about this word? And our final alien word. So, it's your turn now. Get a pen or a pencil, and the first word I would like you to write is boy. So, remember what our oi sound looks like today. Okay, so every time you hear that oi sound, that's what you're writing. So your first word is boy. When you have written that, you can write joy. Tricky, see if you can remember the word, the letter that you start it with. When you have done that one, you can try royal. Tricky. And the final one, enjoy. So think about how are you going to make joy enjoy. I enjoy going to school. So pause the video and have a go at writing those. Okay, now that you've written them, let's have a go and see if you spelled them correctly. So our first word was boy. Our second word was joy. So hopefully you remembered that one starts with a J, not a G. Okay, our next one was royal. Slightly tricky, that one. Royal, just like the Queen. And our final word was enjoy. So we know how to spell joy, how to write it. How are we going to make it enjoy? That's right, we need to add E and an N. Enjoy. So I'm going to write that here so you can see it a bit better. Remember, we dot our I last when we are writing in beautiful joined up handwriting. So, you've all been sent on the website or on Seesaw the phoneme spotter that we did today. It looks like this. Okay, so see if you can underline and spot the phoneme oi. Okay, so pause the video now and have a go yourself. So everyone, let's see how we did. So, Dear Conroy, that's right. One in his name. I am full of joy. So that one was one of the words we wrote. I have just been employed. So he's just got a job. She's just got a job. On Blackbeard's ship. No, not a toy ship. A real ship. I am now a loyal, just like royal, which you wrote for one of your words, but starting with an L. I am now a loyal sailor of the 7 seas. I will eat oysters. If you don't know what oysters are, you can maybe look them up with an adult. And shout, land ahoy! From the top of the mast. I will not annoy Blackbeard, there in annoy, or he will throw me off the boat. I will enjoy my job on the boat, but I think that I will miss you lots. It will be a joy, need the O as well, to see you as I visit land. Best wishes, Joy Savoy. Wow, Joy has 2 in her name. In her first and in her last name. And we can't forget the address. So Joy is sending this to Conroy McCoy. So just like Joy, he has 1 in his first name and 1 in his last name. Oh, and look. He lives on Royal Road. So as we know from writing that one earlier, that's got an I sound in. And he lives in Aberfoyle in Stirling. And his postcode is FK82OY. We wouldn't say OY, but we still have an OY next to each other. So, let's see. Did you get all of them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So, to finish off our phonics lesson, we are going to read a sentence. I'm going to bring it a bit closer so you can read it with me. So, read it out loud. I think I'd be annoyed too. I was annoyed when my toys were destroyed. So, what do you notice about these 2 words that use the phoneme oi? We looked at annoy, but it didn't have ed on the end. So these 2 words have got the ed ending added. What kind of tense does that make it? That's right, it makes it into the past tense. Well done. So, look for lesson 2 coming soon.